Hello everyone, this is Sylvi from Maxizm. Today we are in Haishengda Packing Factory. As you can see, there are a lot of machines waiting to be loaded into container here. Let me introduce to you. Now we are surrounded by these impressive machines here. First of all, I want to introduce this Backhoe Loader SBH388 to you. Backhoe Loader is a multifunction machine that combines the functions of loader and digger. This Backhoe Loader is from SHANTUI brand, which is famous and widely used all over the world. First, let's take a look at its overall appearance. The operating weight is 8,200 kilograms. This is the front bucket. The volume of this bucket is 1 cubic meter. It can hold 2,500 kilograms. And here is the digger bucket. The volume is 0.3 cubic meters. In fact, backhoe loaders have two types of leg, and this one is H-type leg. You can see the nameplate of this machine here. SBH388 is equipped with Cummins 74 kilowatts energy. This is the hydraulic pipeline on it. You can add any attachments you need. Now I'm in the interior of the cab now. The seat is very comfortable. And you can see this is the pilot control. And the toolbox was also put into the cab. When shipping, an SBH388 can be loaded into one 40-feet container. Welcome to contact me to get the latest price. We'd love to establish a new partnership with you with our best quality and service.